Today, we're diving into the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Is this the ultimate smart doorbell for your home? Let's find out. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus offers exceptional head-to-toe HD plus video quality. With a 1536p resolution and a 150-degree vertical field of view, you won't miss a thing. Infrared night vision ensures clear images even in low light. Stay informed with advanced motion detection. Customize motion zones to focus on the areas that matter most. Get real-time alerts on your phone, tablet, or PC whenever motion is detected. Communicate clearly with the Ring Doorbell's two-way talk feature. Built-in noise cancellation ensures your conversations are crisp and clear. Use the Ring app to see and speak to visitors in real time, no matter where you are. Installation is a breeze with the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. It's powered by a rechargeable battery, so there's no need for complicated wiring. The removable battery pack makes recharging quick and easy. Seamlessly integrate your Ring doorbell with other Ring devices and smart home systems, especially those using Alexa. Its sleek, modern design complements any home exterior and withstands extreme weather conditions. In conclusion, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is a top-notch smart doorbell that enhances your home security. Its exceptional video quality, reliable motion detection, and easy installation make it a great investment. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Check out the link in the description to get the best deals on the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Secure your home with this smart doorbell today.